Job role, Help Desk Associate. Location of job, Bangalore will be the job location for this hiring. Job duties and responsibilities. The responsibilities for this opening are mentioned below in detail. Record, update and escalate support issues to the next level in a timely manner. Support all IT onboarding activities for end users. Work with our internal IT teams on system testing, integration and maintenance. Engage in the discovery of new IT business tools to support our business users as well as our internal IT team. Qualification required. The candidates must be a bachelor's degree holder.
Age, a candidate must be at least 18 years old. There is no upper age limit mentioned by NTT data.
Pay scale, CTC, the average salary of an help desk associate at NTT data is Rs 32,500 per month approximately, which will be around 3.9 lakhs per year.
Selection process. The selection process purely depends upon shortlisting. Once candidate is shortlisted, there will be rounds.